Ever been in this situation? You get an urgent document emailed to you. You need to sign it and send it back, but you don't have a printer or a scanner. It's a super common problem, but I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to solve it for free, right from your computer. Today you'll learn how to take a picture of your actual signature and place it perfectly onto any PDF document using a brilliant free tool. Let's get this signed. So once you got your signature image ready, open up your web browser and go to the website ilovepdf.com. I use this site for everything PDF. Once you're on the home page, look for the tool that says Sign PDF. Now click on that and then select PDF file and find the document you need to sign. In my case, I have this document in my downloads folder. I'm going to click open. Now, once your PDF loads, you'll see a screen asking who needs to sign. Since we're signing it ourselves, just choose the option on the left, only me. This will take you to the signing page. Now, in here, you can choose to use something like this, your initials, or even a company stamp that you can upload. Let's just go with signature, and in here you can go by text or by just drawing it yourself. Now, of course, let's just put a name, John Doe. It's gonna automatically put in the initials, and then in the draw one, you can choose the color that you want. I'm going with blue, and then just draw something. I'm just gonna scribble something. Now click apply. It would show you two things: the initials one and the drawing that you had made. I'm just gonna click the drawing, and then it will put it in the page. So you can position this anywhere in the page that you want. There you go, you have a signature. Of course, you can also add an image. So what you're going to do is just click edit here and then click upload, then upload signature. Click your scanned signature, click open, then apply, and there you go. You have your scanned signature. Click that, it will paste it on the page, put it anywhere you want. You can even resize it, and there you go. There is your signature. Once you're happy with the placement, look to the bottom right corner and hit the big sign button. The tool will process it for a moment and then you're done. And there it is, a perfectly signed PDF, ready to be sent back. I'm curious, what's the most common type of document you find yourself needing to sign? Contracts, forms, permission slips? Let me know in the comments. And that is how you can sign any document in under 2 minutes. If this tutorial saved you some time and headache, a thumbs up on the video would be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.